Look what's here, you guys. Fashion Nova. Yes. Let's try these bad babies on. Woo! Hey guys, welcome back. Hold on, let me get this right. 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 All right. So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so glad that I'm able to do this. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you guys clicked this video. So as you can see, it's gonna be a Fashion Nova, and I'm gonna share it with the Shein review. And I'm gonna tell you guys, I didn't expect to be doing this video. I was hoping for a better video, but this one here, I'm not so happy with Fashion Nova. So let's get into it. So I bought about, let's see how many items this is. I'm bought about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items. And Fashion Nova is normally my go-to online boutique. Like that's just what it is. I mean, it's almost everybody's. Like, it's just trending right now, and it does have great articles of clothing, but this time I'm not that happy with it. But let's get into it. So the first item we're going to talk about today is the Brandy fold over sweater. I got it in a size medium. I paid about $14.98. That's not the original price. I believe it was listed for $27, but I got the sale price, which is $14.98. It says it's an ivory color. I see like it just seems so dull, and like it has some type of tint on it. I'm not happy with the tint. It's really like a tint color on there, and I don't know if you can see it through the camera, but it's not ivory. It's not what it is on the photo. The next up is the Molly asymmetrical dress. I got it in the color oatmeal. It is a medium. The listed price was $29.99, and I thought it was a shirt. After taking it out of the package, looking at it, I'm like, this is a shirt. This is a shirt. I do have shorts on underneath, so maybe I should have got a size bigger. It's a size medium. Maybe I should have got a large. Maybe that's my fault. But anyways, how I feel about it, it's okay. It's okay. My next item is the So Into You sweater. It's in the color red bean. I like it. It was actually, they had it listed at a gray color as well, but I feel like I'm buying too much gray items from them, so I said, okay, let's try the red bean. I got it in a size ML. I wish it could have been a little bit bigger. She has it, the model has it on Fashion Nova off one shoulder, which is how I think I was trying to wear it as well. And it's listed for the price of $19.98. The next up is the Riley Obsessed top, and it's in the color white, or at least they say it's white. I have on white shorts with this top, and I guess you can see with the shirt supposed to be white, and the shorts are white. So I don't know. I'm not happy with this piece. If I could return, I would. I just feel like Fashion Nova returns are such a headache to where I don't want to do it. Maybe because I never done it. Maybe I should try it one time just to see how it works. But it looks as if like you have to just pay to ship it back, and yeah, I'll read up on a policy again. I know I did it before. I just didn't. I'm like, okay, this sounds like a whole lot, and I don't want to do it. Next up is the Keep It Off Your Shoulders jumpsuit in the color heather gray. I got it in a size small. I actually like this. I like it. Let's see how much I paid. I got it in a small, and it's listed for $29.99. I like the quality. I like the color. it could have went up a size, maybe a medium, but I like it. I like it. I think it's good material. I think this is probably, I don't really like the fit. Like, probably should have got the 2-piece version of it, which I do have it, but I have it in another gray. So one thing I did not try on for you guys in the video is these breakfast in bed lounge joggers. It's in the color heather gray. I got an extra large. I believe the original price for these joggers was $20. I got it for $10. I'll try to insert a picture from Fashion Nova. If not, this is what they look like. $10. To me the material is very thin, but it'll suffice. I live in South Florida, so it's warm, so I don't really need anything too thick, but this will work. This will work. I wasn't really happy. For $10, I feel like I could have went to Walmart. It does feel like I could have went to Walmart or Target and got these. Probably something even better than that. But for $10, okay, not so bad. But it was listed originally for $20. If I paid $20 for this, I would be very upset. I would be. I didn't even try them on. This is an extra large because I want my joggers to be like baggy. I don't want nothing like super tight. I want to be super comfy and covered. So that's why I got them as large as I did. I'm glad that this has the I can adjust the waist so I can tighten it up. Now let's go back to the jumpsuit that I just was trying on. I meant to mention this. In the middle, this does not adjust. It does not tighten up, and this is what I was hoping. This is just something I could just cut off and it won't even affect it if it's missing or not. I hate when they do that. I would like for it to be actually a string there so that I could adjust the waist. There's nothing there. This is just like something they just sewed on, and I would have liked to be able to tighten this to make it tighter around my waist, but I don't get why do people do that with clothes? Manufacturers don't do that. Fashion Nova, don't do this. Don't do this. If it doesn't allow us to tighten it, it's pointless to have this here. It's pointless. Please and thank you. So that's it for Fashion Nova. Today to be honest with you guys, with those pieces of clothing, I am not happy. I feel like it could have been better. I felt like Fashion Nova tried it this time, or maybe I tried it by not getting the right sizes. Maybe I could have went a size up. I'll take that. But let's move on to Shein. Shein, I was very apprehensive about ordering from in the beginning, but then I saw another YouTuber try on some stuff and I'm like, okay, that's kind of cute. Okay, so yeah, I decided to order, and this is like my 3rd order from Shein, but I'm only gonna show you guys 2 pieces. Oh, I have another video, check it out. I do have the Shein try on with that order. So with this order, I'm very happy about. I was actually looking at another YouTuber. She has a blog page and she looked absolutely beautiful in this dress, and I was surprised that it came from Shein. It was only 20 bucks. I'm gonna put the video here, and to me it's like good material, very good material. It's not cheap at all, and for it to be $20, it's worth it. I just wish they had it in every color. I would buy it. Every color, I would buy this dress 4 or 5 times more. I would buy it. So yeah, 20 bucks. Shout out to Shein. I'm very, very proud. You guys are inexpensive, good quality. It's very thick, and I'm very happy about that. So the next thing I got from Shein is this 2-piece, actually quote unquote 3-piece, because it comes with the 2 tops. I guess you could have an option of which top, or you just wear both. In the video, I'm wearing both. So it comes with 3 tops, well, 2 tops. I guess you have the option, or if you just want to wear 1 instead of 2. And my try on, I'm wearing both tops. So the first top is almost like it's like a bra or something to cover up, and then the top part is more like a flary top. So I put this on first. This is more like, I guess, to hold everything in place, and then you come again with this top, which is more like a little feathery type top. So yeah, and then the bottom, which is what I really like about the bottom, is because it has a split. Same with that last dress I had on. It has a nice split. I love a nice slit in the dress, like a little tease. Let me fix my shirt. Yeah, so I like a little tease, so I'm glad it comes with this this split here. And the polka dot isn't bad at all. I actually would have liked it in a more solid color. I would have liked this in white. I would have liked it in a blue, black, red, or yellow solid color, even blue, royal blue. So Shein, big ups for that. I'm very proud and happy for my order with Shein. Fashion Nova, if I could return this without a headache, I would. But I believe I'm gonna have a headache, so I'm not gonna do it. I'm just gonna probably donate the clothes to someone that could use them and be happy with them. So yeah, all in all, Fashion Nova, I would give you a 4 out of 10, maybe 5 out of 10 this order. Shein, I'll give you a 9 out of 10 because I'm not so through. I know I ordered polka dot. I just kind of second guessed it when I actually seen it on me. I don't think it's a bad buy, but I wish for the polka dots to not even be on there. Maybe something solid. But this is just style, I guess. So everyone's different and vice versa. So yeah. Oh, I do have some other clothes that I ordered from Fashion Nova. Let's go over that order as well. And I ordered this like a month ago. I just never got around to posting a video. So let me go ahead and share that order with you guys in case you all are thinking about buying these items. You can see how they look today. Okay, so with this order, I actually was I was planning for a trip to Antigua, so these clothes were meant for this trip and so forth. So I did buy the South Beach Mokani in the color olive. It's a bathing suit and size medium. It was listed for $39.99. And yeah, I don't think I did a video on me trying that on. I didn't want to record me in a bathing suit, so yeah, I'm not gonna see it. But it is a cute bathing suit. I got a lot of compliments, I would say, a lot. So yeah. The next up is this cutie off the shoulder romper in the color mauve. I got in a size medium. Price is $34.99. I love the quality of this jumpsuit. It feels rich. It feels it looks, to me, it looks gorgeous, and I would love this romper. I'm not a big romper wearer, but this is pretty dope. I like this one. I think it fits nice and sexy and snug, and yeah, I think it's dope. The next up is the New Feelings romper. I believe this is the color taupe. I don't know if I'm saying it right, but to me, I would say beige or something. But it's in the size medium. I spent a total of $24.99 on it, and it's pretty dope. I like it. It's comfy. To me, it's around the house romper. I would have to dress it up. I feel like it's not like look at me romper. It's just like something comfy. I did wear it in Antigua. I'm missing St. Lucia though. So the next up is the Rydell Mindy dress. I got in the color olive in the size medium. I paid $19.99 for it. I love this dress mainly because it goes past my knee, and the quality of it is amazing. I love the quality. Now we have is riveting ribbed mini dress in the color rust. I got it in a size small. I should have probably gotten a medium. Honestly, I think I should have gotten a medium for sure. I paid about $29.98 for this one, and I actually like this dress. It really, the material is very thick and rich feel. It's nothing wrong with this dress. I probably should have went a size bigger. Next up is the light nude dress in the color red. I got a size small. It's listed for $24.99. This dress, the material to me it felt cheap. Like it feels like a material I've felt for the first time, and I only feel this material with Fashion Nova clothes. And it feels kind of cheap, but it works. I like it. I think it's a beautiful dress. It's long. Anything past my knee, I'm going to feel comfortable and like it. But the material is very different. I don't know what type of material that Fashion Nova or fabric that they're using, but it is a different material. And it feels like it's going to give me that fade. Once I wash it a few times, I feel like it's going to do that. And I hope not. But all in all, I'm impressed with this order from Fashion Nova. I would recommend you guys check them out. If you haven't, you know, given them a shot, give them a shot. I think they're worth it. It's just sometimes you'll get hit and misses with certain items. The shoes, I love the shoes. I did order a pair of shoes. If you go back to my older videos, I believe I did a I showed the shoes in a video during Christmas, and not Christmas but Black Friday. I did a video, and check it out. And I thank you guys for watching. More videos to come. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe. I do appreciate all the comments, so tell me what direction I need to go in. If you guys like it, you don't like it, I welcome all the comments. Share the video and be sure to subscribe. There will be more fun coming your way. Mwah. See you next time.